Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam, and khamma to all of you. Welcome to today's particular session. Now, this is a conversation topic where we'll be discussing, है ना, where I'll be telling you how you can motivate yourself and what are the problems which you face, है ना, what are the personal problems, some related to personality, some related to time management, है ना. So today the topic we are discussing is how to kill laziness, है ना. And this is one of the biggest what do I say, hurdle in everybody's life. Even I will say that I am also not 100% immune to laziness, and I also sometimes feel lazy. But the difference is, if I have some work which I know is of utmost importance, at that time I'll tell my mind ki अरे यार बेटा, it is time to work, chalo get ready, and I'll start working towards it, है ना. No matter how much, no matter how sleepy I'm going to feel, like I'm feeling say very sleepy, and I've just traveled, it happened a lot, just traveled whole night, but daytime also traveling, just reached home and I have class in 10 minutes, so I'll not be like अरे यार, how do I take class, अच्छा चलो ठीक है, let's cancel the class today. I know class is there, I have to take it no matter what happens, right? So I obviously take the class. So that time I'll activate my mind, and I'll not be like, "Bacho, okay, you study. I'll just take some rest today." That cannot happen, right? We have to be present in the class. Make sure each and every student understand everything. So that's what I'm talking about, है ना. Sometimes you might feel laziness कि हाँ यार, चलो 10 minutes I'm sleeping early and all. That is like when you don't have any work. I still understand it, like genuine trait inside. But suppose your exams are near and you are not studying at all, है ना, sleeping 12 hours you're sleeping, 10 hours you're sleeping, so that laziness is going to ruin your life. That is definitely going to ruin your life, ठीक है. So that's what, guys, we are going to discuss today. Now, one more thing, IOQM Essential Batch, all the Olympiad enthusiasts, you were waiting for this course. When the batches for Olympiad will start, when the batches for Olympiad will start, IOQM Essential Batch is already there. Apply the coupon code GPE Pro, and the price is 2200, which is already very less. On that, if you apply GPE Pro, you'll get the final price is 1980, flat 10% off. Okay, bacha. Okay. So first, before targeting laziness, first let's look at the reasons for laziness. Why you might be feeling lazy, right? So first reason being lack of motivation. Obviously, like suppose you want to do some work and you're not motivated enough. Obviously, you'll feel lazy. होगा ना यार. Suppose you have to study, but you don't know why you are studying, है ना. होता है ना यार. Why am I studying, sir? Why we have to give exams? These questions will come in your mind. Now, if you don't have answer to these questions, obviously you'll feel lack of motivation. You'll not feel motivated. Second is having too much on your plate. That is also like the other thing. What happens is, what a normal person will think, that if suppose if I have too much of work to complete, you'll not be like your yaar leave, you'll be like "Ki, let's do the work super quickly." But that the opposite thing happens when you have say only 1 hour to finish a work which is say be completed in 3 hours. In that 1 hour you'll not even finish anything, you'll not do anything, because when you have too much of task to do within a given period of time, you feel so much demotivated that you do not even do a single thing. You don't do a single thing over there. Okay. So that also may be a reason, like say one day left for examination, you have not started studying anything yet. So obviously in one day you're not going to learn anything. है ना? And you'll not even open the book because you'll only be in the fear and you'll be like कि चलो not done anything, what I'll do in this much, है ना? I'll have to do after 1 hour, 2 hours, because that mindset becomes like that. Next thing, being overconfident. This is also there. Many students, many be like कि, हाँ, like this is my favorite subject. I studied that time in my class and I've understood everything. I don't have to study that again and again, है ना. No, there is no need for revision. I know this, I can solve all the questions, है ना. Why to study now? That is an easy subject. And when you go for the paper, you'll be like कि, अरे, from where that is coming, from where this is coming, Hari, how, why this paper is so difficult. So these things happen. Overconfident, when you're too overconfident about doing something, you started feeling lazy in doing that. Whether you are actually that good in that thing or not, it doesn't matter. It's all about your mindset. If you're overconfident, gone case. Okay, and the last one, not taking action. Not taking action is laziness only, right? You know what you have to do. You don't have, like, you have enough work to do. You are not even overconfident also, but you don't want to do it. Like procrastination. Okay, so these things will eventually lead to laziness. है ना? And what laziness does is it will hamper your time management. The way you are managing, it will make you uh, like you will not realize the value of time when you start getting too lazy. When the laziness, say laziness overpowers your hard work, है ना? That time you'll start, you'll not realize the value of time. You'll be like, okay, 1 hour I'll sleep, I'll do it later. Procrastination will keep doing. Your time management is going to get disturbed a lot, you know? And when your work will not being done, when you are too lazy, you'll not feel confident. You'll start being say you'll not like to go to meet new people because you're too lazy to go outside. Okay, so these things, your personality becomes, your personality will be like not to interact with the outside world, not to complete any task, है ना? You know, will not even have an hobby because sleeping will be your hobby. Okay, so laziness will make a person go mad if looked at from an outside perspective. You see a lazy person, you'll be like, why you are so lazy, yaar? है ना? Have you ever said this to someone, or has someone ever said this to you? Why you are so lazy? Your mom, your dad must have said that because they feel कि यार, how can you be so lazy? It's a small little task. Why you're not doing it? All right. So the other person feel कि what is happening? What mindset you are living in that you are not able to do this simple task? So that's what laziness is. It just disturbs everything, है ना? And if not taken care of in a uh, quick manner, if not acted upon it, this might ruin your life. Okay, ठीक है? So how do we get rid of laziness? First thing, purpose. Find purpose in your life. If you have not find it yet, at least look for it. Keep looking. I know you're very young right now. You don't have you might not have got the purpose for your life. That's true. But at least keep looking. At least keep looking. That's what you can do, right? Keep looking, explore different options. This is the age right now. Find purpose. है ना? Meet different people, explore different opportunities, learn new things. This is the time to learn new things. Right? So find the purpose. Find your purpose. And if you have not found it yet, keep looking. In this way, you'll get a clarity about your life. And when you have a clarity about your life, when you have a clarity about your goal, laziness doesn't come even in your mind. But you are, when you don't have any purpose in your life, obviously you'll feel lazy. Okay, so find the purpose in your life, and if you have not found it yet, keep looking. Okay, plan your routine. Plan your routine means what? Like, make sure that your 24 hours in a day you are utilizing it. And fix your sleeping hours. Ki, okay, this much sleep is sufficient for me. May have some time for, say, keep good amount of time for exercise. Keep good amount of time for studies. Make sure you're looking at your health also. Mind, for mind also, keep good amount of time for studies as well. Playtime, puzzles, social media, keep it as less as possible, and use it in a healthy way. It should not be like you are, don't be that social media freak. Okay, that's what I would like to tell you all. So manage your time, plan your routine. Okay, so when you have plan your routine, you know what things are to be done. You'll be keep doing them, and obviously laziness will be overcome by that. Physical tasks. Start your day with some physical tasks. If you can do exercise, yoga, I would suggest the best way to start your day. Best way to start your day is, uh, the best way. Start doing it. Do it for 10 days. Let me know in the comment section what work I'm going to tell you. Whether you are doing that for the straight 10 days or not. Once you wake up early in the morning, whatever time you are waking up, once you wake up, at that moment get out of the bed. Don't be like, okay, you've opened your eyes, you're looking at your phone, you're sleeping, waiting for tea, waiting for milk. You woke up, but like one and a half hour you're on bed only. Don't do that. As soon as you wake up, get up from your bed. As soon as you wake up, get up from your bed, fold your bed, है ना? Make the, say, what do I say? uh, Fold your this sheet, है ना? Make the sheet tight, fold your rajai and all. Make your bed proper. Arrange your bed how it is supposed to be. Do that first thing first. Start your day with that. ठीक है? Then go use washroom and all. So you'll as soon as you'll wake up and you do this physical task, your mind will get activated. As soon as you wake up, you do this physical task, your mind will get activated, and then get freshen up, start with some exercise, have your breakfast, work. ठीक है? Work towards your goals. You have found your purpose, and if you have not found it, keep looking for it. Then think about the benefits, whatever you're doing. Say if you're studying, think about that. Why you are studying? What are the benefits? If you're playing, think about it. Eat your food on time. Take care of your health. Start looking for the benefits of what you are doing. And if you don't see benefit in doing something, don't do that. You know, there is not much say benefit in using Instagram, right? Until unless you are a model and watching a YouTube video on this. I don't know what you are doing here, because this is all my students are generally watching this over here. So don't waste too much time on social media, yaar. Do it later. You have time for that, but not now. This is not the age for that. Clear, this is not the age for that. Okay, understand this thing. And self control, yes. Self control is easier said than done, because anybody can be like your self control is very important, and I have to restrict myself from doing this, doing that. But it comes when you are disciplined in your life, and it comes when you are disciplined in your life. So make sure you are disciplined in your life. You have made your what do I say uh, you have say made the schedule for the whole day, your targets you have set, you're doing all those works. So once you start following that routine, you'll start getting the self control, and in between keep telling yourself that for every you're doing this for yourself, you know the benefits of doing it. So control yourself. Sometimes you have the urges ki yaar अच्छा chalo ठीक है, let's, when you're studying, say half an hour you're studying, in between you'll have that urge ki chalo 5 minutes, let me open Instagram, and that 5 minutes will be going on for 1 hour, you'll not even get to know, है ना? That happens. Don't tell me it doesn't happen. It happens. It happens. It happens to all of us. So that is that moment when you're thinking like, okay, let me use Instagram for 5 minutes. Say no. Let me study first. When the break time, you have decided your break time, take the break only at that time. Simple. ठीक है? So these little small little urges, try to avoid them. All right. Should not be, say, too much bowed down to your urges, to your needs. Try to make yourself do things which you know are good for yourself. Don't do things which you want to do. Do things which are good for you. Okay, you want to use social media, so it doesn't mean you have to use social media. You need to study, so start studying. That's what the main thing is. Okay, so this is what, guys, you need to do for overcoming laziness. Think about it. Uh, it will take some time for you to adjust to all these things which I have told. Think about it and start implementing it in yourself. All right. And also, guys, for the any help, any assistance in your studying, link for registration to Vedantu subscription is in the description box of this video. GP Pro is your code to get flat 20% off, guys. This is the time right now where you are getting the maximum discount. Definitely go for it. Say term 2 for grade 10th is available at this prices after applying discount. ठीक है, in G Pro Lite and Pro Classic after applying GPE Pro. The code is what? GPE Pro. All right. And also you can try for 15 days as well, guys. Try kar lo, है ना? I first start trying it within like 1,000 rupees something. You are getting the trial period amount. Get it. Once you are satisfied, you can go for it. Okay, chalo. So thank you so much, guys, for joining the session, and I hope all of you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like this video before you go. Share the video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you are new here. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Sayonara. Khuda Hafiz to all of you guys. Bye bye.